What's up, guys? In the backyard, hanging out. I am going to analyze crypto, and it's honestly looking beautiful. I was gonna do a video analysis, but yeah, we'll just go through and do a video analysis just on a live stream. Okay, move all this Zoom stuff. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin first. Let's look at the weekly close since we got that a couple hours ago, an hour ago, and it looks beautiful. Like, look how beautiful this bounces off of not only the moving average, excuse me, but also off of 53K. Now, we've been talking about 53K for a while, and it's just the price action. Okay. Price action here showing that we had resistance here. We also had support that same level. Clear indicator that that was the next spot for us to bounce. So what could happen next? Well, from here, I'm just going to expect us to either go sideways or just kind of send it straight up from here. I don't think personally that we're going to go down. And if we go sideways, it could last a little while. But all in all, Bitcoin's going to at least 100K. Like that's bare minimum. And I think there's going to be a lot of selling pressure at 100K. Um, but we'll see. It could just full send. Where's going to be the top? I don't know. We're gonna have to watch. I do believe something like 150 to 200K is going to be Bitcoin top, and I think when Bitcoin hits the top, a lot of other things will as well. So moving on, I also looked at Solana, and Solana looks pretty juicy. The weekly, I will say, doesn't look as good as like the daily. I got so many drawings here, so I can clean it up a little bit. But what I will say is that we went right into this area, this little yellow blocks that I figured that we would bounce, that we would hit. It's a strong retest of some of the all-time highs over here. Now we did have that wick over here, but the bodies are what matter most. So the bodies are kind of what showed support, well, resistance, I guess. So right now, we did have a strong wick on that weekly close, but doesn't look like we 100% want to buy based off the weekly. But the daily here, I do see two strong wicks now. I did mention here in the Discord, I don't need to show it, but I mentioned in the Discord that I was looking for that 178 level for bounce. And we hit what did we get? 180. So we're within a couple dollars. But yeah, I think that was that was the bottom, most likely. Pick that level, like I was saying, because the retest, you can see we had a resistance level here and here as well. So support and resistance is a range. I just got to move this box out, and it's the same spot. So looking good. Solana to 300 plus for sure. I think Solana will go to like 500, to be honest. But first level is going to be like 300, 320 for us to watch for. So let's see. Avalanche also bouncing, looks so good. Perfect bounce off the moving average here on the daily. Yeah, we're in there, guys. Look in there, feeling good. Feeling amazing. Serum. I would say if Serum bounces, it's because Solana is bouncing. So we are at a Fibonacci level of support, but I don't see much other reason other than that. I can see some resistance back here. I mean, I guess it is a good support resistance level now that I'm looking at it. Okay, so it is a good level for us to bounce, but it doesn't mean that we will. But I would say if Solana starts ripping, Serum will as well. And it looks really good for that. So let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours already starting to break out. Let's check Bitcoin's 4 hour. Bitcoin's 4 hour starting to break out. We're getting that divergence from the path. So yeah, looking good. Crypto looks great, guys. This is mainly what I wanted to make my thing about the video about. But I will mention this Olive Cash because it's so it's so low key. This is a great play. Basically, they copied Pancake Swap, took Pancake Swap and are making it better. And there's a couple things that I stopped staking today, but I'm gonna restart actually here in a little bit. I was just thinking I was gonna move money around, but I think this is one of the best places to put money to keep it low key and kind of guarantee I want to say guarantee, have a better chance at holding the value of your money. So, Olive is the name of the exchange. So it's just like the coin cake. It's just Olive. It's just lower key. Like look at some of the liquidity of these, like these pools. What I mean, they're super low. I mean, this means how much money is deposited, or this is showing how much money is deposited in each pool. So really low. Obviously, you want to do some of them that might have a little higher liquidity. But the cool thing is the lower the liquidity, the higher the payout. I was farming this egg chain, because egg chain is it's kind of small. It's like a newer project, but they're doing some like cool NFT stuff and game stuff and all this stuff in their platform. But I had put in like 4 grand and I was like the whole pool, and that had worried me a little bit. So I'm just like, whatever, you know. So I took out. That's okay. I might put a little bit back in. Just I was seeing all the carnage earlier of crypto, and I'm like, yeah, let me just pull some out and put some more to the side, just to be ready. But now I'm feeling good, just the way that we ended up. So, yeah, what I would say, if you start farming on anything, whether you're using Invictus that I've talked about, I'm in on Jade Cash still. I'll put some more into Olive Cash. And I'm gonna make tons of videos, guys, about yield farming and all the places you could do it, just in the future. But for now, yield farming, you want to give yourself like 7 weeks, 90 days if you can. That's gonna be when you really start to notice the gains. So anything less than that, it's going to be, you know, small. So yeah, Olive is tight because it works and it works consistently. It's multi-chain, so you can use Olive on Binance Chain, Avalanche, Phantom. There's different coins for each. I use specifically on Binance Chain, because the market cap is bigger. There's more money moving around, so it's still pretty small though. 870,000, less than a million. But yeah, pretty tight, pretty tight. They pay you in Olive. You can sell it immediately. I was making like uh some like 10 to 12% every week, average. And so I'm gonna put it back in here tonight. Feeling good. So anyway, other than that, guys, I just want to do a quick update on crypto. If there's any questions, this looks like a couple people on. Feel free to reach out right now if you guys have any questions. Like if there's a specific crypto you want to get, or you want me to chart or anything like that. I think in the meantime, actually, I will just do a couple forex charts. Lucas says Mana, dude. Mana looks really bullish. So let's look at Mana. It has been pumping. Well, we will say that. But yeah, what I like is that it just broke out. So even though we've been running it up, I think that we'll have a long ways to go as well. Based off the 4 hour, let's just do a quick Fibonacci is all we can do, because after we break this high, we're gonna be making new all-time highs. Well, there you go. Okay, so I would target $7 because that's the next level. Does that mean we'll go higher? That's the max. Yeah, there's a chance. But yeah, $7. $7 for sure. Tiffany says ADA. Let's do Cardano. So I will say, just personal opinion, I don't own Cardano, nor will I. And the reason is just because there's other blockchains that have a lot more going on. However, the charting alone, this place is absolutely beautiful. Okay. So Tiffany, if you are in Cardano and you have extra money, buy more. Okay, why? Well, let's just take a peek. Look at how we peaked up here and then we came down, right? Basically to the beginning of that movement, right? And then what happened right after? We shot up. Once again, we've come up really high and then we've come down basically to the beginning of this movement. What I really love is that the area we bounce is a beautiful location for a bounce. Okay. So like I said, even though I don't personally own Cardano, this is oh my gosh, this is an amazing chart. And yeah, I think from here, Cardano is sure to make new highs. Now, this isn't going to be over the next week or 2 weeks, but a couple months for sure. February, March is what I would say. So Cardano first level, if I'm trading it, first level that I would look to sell is going to be, good lord, about $4. So yeah, I believe it'll hit that. But the chart is great. The chart is absolutely amazing. So out of the two, out of Mana and Cardano has a better looking chart for sure. But Mana is going to pump Mana to $7 at least. All right. This means I'm also getting back into Saber. I've already in some, but I'm gonna definitely buy more tonight. Put a lot of back in what I had, what I had taken out. So yeah, and then we're gonna just stay patient over the next few months. So looking good, guys. In the meantime, of course, any questions that pop or that arise, let me know. Tiffany, I'm excited finally for our first coaching session. So that'll be good. So it looks like we have that in the next few days or so. Yeah, please reach out in the group, guys, if you have any questions. Yeah, fabric's great. So just because it's already low, like it's not gonna, like, the market cap is what I mean. It's like 7 million. You got like people that have their money in fabric, they're not really like selling, it's just they're holding on. And so yeah, fabric's looking really good as well. So all charts looking good. And I had the thought to take money out of crypto today, and that's how I knew it was the time to buy. So yeah. Okay, blue chips. What would I do right now? So I would definitely load up fabric and Saber. Okay, Saber and fabric both are gonna absolutely rip. Those are Solana coins. The other one I would definitely hop in on, Kalau is a great, absolutely great metaverse coin that's been undiscovered. It's on Avalanche, and it's pretty bottomed out. Like it's looking really, really good as well. But they're doing NFTs, they're doing a ton of stuff, and it's all on Avalanche. So this is another blue chip I would buy. Blue chip means it's gonna do really good, guys. What else? Yeah, staking on Olive Cash a little bit for me. And then I'm just going to be trading a little bit more on Bybit. So if crypto markets are going sideways and it takes a little while to head upward, then I'll be trading more Forex for sure. Which on that note, gold's going to send it. Gold's going to go up so high. So anyway, yeah, guys, looking pretty good. Gold's giving us shenanigans though. I'm gonna post gold as a trade probably. So yeah, okay, that's where I'm at. All the love. It's good time to buy. Okay, don't put all your money in though. Let's say for instance you had an extra 100 grand. Let's make it easier. Let's just say you had an extra 10 grand to throw in crypto. I would only put in like 5, and so at most, and I keep the rest just in case things go lower, and also in case we find new projects. So cool, family. All the love to you. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna post this. So we'll see you guys on the next stream or in the group. Have a crazy good day.